welcome. This is the year-long Christmas collaboration hosted by myself and Leslie Bromfield. For the whole year we've been crafting Christmas items following a prompt on the 25th of each month. So we're entering November, so it's the second to last prompt, and the prompt is reindeer. Now, I actually got my very first Bigs die. It was on sale on Amazon, and when I saw it I thought it was absolutely adorable, and I knew that I had a reindeer prompt coming up and I didn't really know what to do for it, so it kind of worked out well for everything. So I've never used a Bigs die before, and I had so much fun using it that I did use material. So I used some felt, and for the prompt I've made these cute little reindeer key rings. So I just attached the key ring again with felt. Now I've not done any stitching, I am hideous at stitching. I just used hot glue very carefully just around the edges to make them, and I've done one in an actual brown, like a reindeer, and then I decided to try and do a sort of snowy one. I guess so it's more like a polar bear trying to pretend to be a reindeer. I don't know, but I just thought they just look really cute little key rings, and they were so easy to make. And I actually had all of this it's a massive bag, this just stuffing. I bought it for projects many years ago and I can't even remember now, and I've used the tiniest amount, so I had loads. So I really enjoyed making these. I only managed to do 2. I'm feeling a little bit worn out with my cold, but I think I could just sit there and make these loads. I could make a whole bunch of them. I really am very happy with this Bigs die. I layered up the felt as well, so I was able to cut 2 pieces at a time. Maybe it would cut more, I'm not sure. I'm just going to keep trying new things, trying other materials, but I just thought they're so cute, little plushies, little reindeer plushies for the key rings. And yeah, so this is my little project for the month of November for the year-long collaboration. Lots of other crafters are taking part in this, so please do go check them out. They are all linked in the description box below, and I will see you again next month for the last one, which obviously will be out on Christmas Day, but you know, might be busy. So we'll see how it goes. All right guys, thanks for watching, take care, bye.